I was about to not make a video today, but I know like 97 of y'all out there might be possibly waiting on me, so better late than never. Let's go. I'm gonna be cleaning up this a little bit more as far as getting some more pumps out. Some electrical goes down in there. Up plugs in a few places, unplugs here, goes around to the fuel injection system and whatnot. Get that out, get the AC pump out. Just start undressing this thing more and more. I don't want to open it up too much until it's ready to go in the garage because of all the humidity and stuff that builds up overnight. Yeah, I don't want that thing rusting on the inside at all. Alright, it's kind of hard to see with this glare, but I just unplugged this guy from here. This is my power steering cooler, I would have to say, oil pump, power steering oil pump, and then it gets cooled when it goes down there and comes back up. I just popped that off, hooked up my little tube, drained that thing out, so that's good. AC, I've got all the electrical connections done, and these bigger tubes are disconnected at their other ends. Bam and bam. So that's kind of undone. I need to do one other thing. Oh, so this is, as you can see, black already from just use. This is definitely our culprit right here. I haven't done anything to this bolt yet, so that's where all that fucking black has gone and trickled down all over all this bullshit that I got to clean up. So I got to get that undone, and then I'm gonna take this assembly, this belt tensioner, the power steering oil pump, and the AC pump off as as its own thing. So there's one bolt right there. Follow this down, and then it looks like these two grease monkeys. Boom, boom. And then it looks like that on the other side. And I've got, zoom in again. You can see back here, I've got one here and one connected to my throttle cable bracket. Gonna have to undo that, and that over there, might as well get that loosened up. And then I can take this whole chunk of pumps and wheels and shit off. We'll be good to go. Did a little bit more disconnecting. This is just the bracket and the pump left, no lines or nothing. I just have to get a number 9 Allen key to get in there and remove this belt, to remove those bolts and get that free from that bracket. Belt tensioner off. AC lines disconnected and completely taken apart. Over here, got a couple of the lines and a bunch of shit from the truck waiting to go back on one day. Motor's looking pretty bare. We just got the block, intakes, the fan, some oil pan, distributor, 2 little brake lines left, steering column. Trans is coming out. I think tomorrow I'm gonna take the trans out, because I have to get a bigger socket, an 1.1/8" socket, to get this U-joint out. I had one kind of close and started it, but you get a socket around here so that this can freely go through it, and then pow, bang it through on the other side, and I'll be able to take the drive shaft out, and then the trans Then a few more things on the motor, and then the motor's coming out. I need to get an engine hoist. I think that's how I'm gonna hold it and store it, but I'll see y'all motherfuckers tomorrow. That's gonna be it for today's mini section of the truck teardown. Shit is getting greasy. Coming at you tomorrow with another fucking video.